So we will do the first section of the song, and the song is split into 5 sections, and we will take care of the first now. The first step, we are going to kick using our right leg. So we are going to kick, join, cross and join. Let me repeat it. So you are going to kick, join, cross with your right leg front, and you are going to join back. We will do that with the same with the left leg as well. You are going to kick front, you are going to join, you are going to cross, and you are going to join. So let's do both the sides together really slowly. Kick, join, open, join. Kick, join, open and join. So when we do this move, we need to have some kind of bounce so that we get used to the song's tempo. So what we're going to do, we're going to bounce, we're going to go kick, and that's all. One more time, 5, 6, 7, go, kick, cross, kick and cross. So let me just show you in the music tempo with counts first, and then we will do the same thing with music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go, kick, go. So that is the tempo of the music. So let's play the music and then we will see how it goes. So we start with the music. Kick, cross, kick and cross. Great. So the next step, what we're going to do, we're going to slide to the right. We're going to slide to the right. And when you slide to the right, we're going to take out your hands and bring it towards your body. Let me show you one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now what we're going to do, once you come to the right hand side, we're going to have a hip twist. Hip twist. You're going to twist to the right. Use your right hip. Twist. The second time you're going to twist, you're going to jump. So you're going to have 2 twists. One is the hip twist. Second is with the jump. So we are here in the center. We're going to move to the right. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. So let me show you with counts from the beginning to here. 5, 6, 7, go. Kick, cross, slide and shake, jump. Very good. So you see this part with music. So that's how you do it. You can practice a couple of times with counts and then you can get into the music. The music is peppy, so you need to stay with the bounce always. So the next move. So once we jump, we're going to go back to the position. We're going to go to the left using our left leg. We're going to step. When you step, you're going to step and place. So from here, you're going to take your left leg, you're going to jump on your right leg, and you're going to place your left leg. So let me show you one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Step and place. So once you finish this position and once you come to the last position here, you're going to use your hands. You're going to take your right hand and your left hand here. You're going to go 1 and 2. So basically, you're going to, with your left leg, you're going to go in and you're going to go in. So 1 up, 2 down. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you're going to use your right hand and left hand to shuffle up. 1 up and 1 down. So when you do that, your knee goes in and in. Okay. Okay, everything should go with the bounce. So let me show you the entire thing with counts and then we will do it with the music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you're going it up and down. You can finish up the move there. We will see this with the music and then show you. So once we go with the step and step up and down, now what we're going to do, we're going to have a rotation with our upper body. So from here, you're going to go to the right and come to a leaning position to the left, where your shoulders are in a straight line with your right leg. So from here, you're going to drop your hands. There is no work for the hands now. Drop your hands to the right and come up. So it's going to be a big circle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So once you come here, you're going to use your right hand. 1, 2, left hand, 3 and 4. So this goes like quite fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to use your right hand on your stomach, left hand on your chest, right hand on your face, and you're going to twist. So this happens 1, 2, 3, 4. So it happens in the flow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after you finish this move, you're going to go to the right, circle and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So we will do this part with counts and then we will see with the music. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Great. So we'll see this part with music. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. That's great. So that's the end of the first section. So you can practice this section completely before moving on to the second section. Thank you. Let's move on to the next and the second section of the choreography. I hope you guys practice the first section very well. So what we're going to do for the second section, we have our feet together first. We're going to jump to the right hand side. So when we jump to the right hand side, we're going to have a hand movement. It's like a car windshield. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the hand movement. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So your knees also go in the same direction as your hands. So you go right, left, right, left. So you're going to jump to the right, right, drop. Again, 5, 6, 7, go, right and drop. To the left, left and drop. So how you have to remember is that when you go to the right hand side, you go to the right, right and right. Now we go to the left hand side, left and left. So this has to come in a flow. Don't break it down too much. Let's do it with counts once. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And you need to maintain your levels so that the dance looks very nice. So you need to be up, you need to go down, up and down. Great. So let's see this with music and then let's continue. Let's see the second section with counts from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Up, down, up and down. So once we finish this particular part, we're going to do the hands first. I'll teach you the hands first. First is going to be cross, open, roll forward and shake. So it's going to be 4 hand movements. One is the cross, open, roll once and then shake. Okay, so once you come to this particular part, you're here, you're going to take your right leg out and you're going to go back 4 times. 2, 3 and 4. So you're not going to move your left leg at all, it's just going to be movement of your right leg. So from here, the leg movement goes, you move it out, back, back and back. So each time you go, I want you to step, step, step and step. So if you do it with the hands, you're here, you go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's try it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Up and down, step, 2, 3, 4. That's great. Let's try this with the music and then let's proceed. That's right. Great. So once you complete 1, 2, 3 and 4, the entire set should be done in a half set. So you're going to go down, down, down and down. The lower you go, the better you look. So feel free to improvise and make yourself look good. So once we finish this part, we are going to go to the right hand side. We're going to jump to the right. Jump. So when you jump to the right, we're going to place our left leg first and then our right leg. Left leg and then your right leg. So when you do this, you're going to move your hip like you're going in a swing. So you're going to push your hip forward. You're going to push your hip forward. So all this happens in one moment. So once you finish doing this step, you're going to jump and you're going to push back. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. So once you come to this particular position, you're going to use your left hand to go back. 1. So when you do that, you're going to again take your left leg. 1 and 2. You're not going to move your right leg. Your right leg stays the same. With your left leg, you're going to go step and step. So from this position onwards, we're going to step, and the next, what you're going to do is you're going to put your hands over your head. So from this position, you're going to go 1 and 2. Again, you can nicely open up your chest to give better feel. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go, step and open. That's great. So let's see from the shape. 5, 6, 7, go, forward, back, step and back. Once you complete this position and this step, you're going to jump forward such that you're facing the audience one more time. So let's do it from the shape. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you complete this position, you're going to come back straight, and with your right shoulder, you're going to give a huge hit. It should be really powerful. Bam! That's good. So let's see from the shape till the last hit with counts, and then we will do it with the music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's great. So let's see with the music now on the top of the second section. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's good. So the final step of the second section, we finish with our legs wide open. We're going to jump in When we jump in, we're going to fold our hands and we're going to rub. So you can hear a disc sound. So from there, we're going to go 1, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, check, check. Yeah, that's great. So let's see the entire thing with counts and then we will do the entire second section with music. Ready? The final position. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's great. Let's try with the music. So that's the end of the second section. Okay, so let's start out with the third section of the choreography. So till this we were dancing for the introduction tune, and from now on we're going to dance with the lyrical portion of the music. So let's begin. So our feet is together. After joining our hands, we have a small shake. Now what we're going to do, we're going to open or split up our legs and come to a diagonal position to the right. So 1. We're going to come to a half circle position from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Come back. So you do 1, 2 with your hands. What you're going to do, you're going to lift up, you're going to slightly lean back, you're going to lift up, and you're going to come back in. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. So after you come to this position, you're going to use your right heel, push it out, left heel, push it out. So let me do it one more time. With your right heel, push out your right heel, push out your left heel. So let me do all the 3 steps together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, backward position, slip out. After you complete that, what you're going to do, you're going to push your hands out. So till then your hands will be in front of your legs and then you're going to go out. So let me do this entire set together. We are here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Tap, 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 tap. One more time. So let's try this with the music so that you understand and then we proceed further. That's right. So practice this a couple of times, keep listening to the music and then we will eventually reach to the point where we get the moves right. So we go 1, 2, tap, tap, out. So once we come to this position, we're going to have a movement with our hands. So our right hand goes up, left hand, so it goes like a bow. So when we do that with our right leg, we're going to move 1 and 2. So you're going to cross your right leg first. When we cross our right leg, our right hand is up. Again, left leg, our right hand is up. So we have a groove going on there. 5, 6, 7, go. Step and step. That's right. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. That's right. So let's try this part with the music and then let's proceed. Now what's going to happen, we're going to jump, putting a body weight on our left leg. Drop your hands. 1. When you drop, your right leg will be on your toe and your full body weight is going to be on your left leg. So after you finish this, you're going to move your right leg closer to your left leg. One. After this, you're going to push your right leg forward. So 1, 2. We end here. Now you're going to drop yourselves down. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to bring your right leg back. 1 and 2 and 3. That's it. So let's see this entire portion with counts and then we go with the music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's right. So after you come to this position, you're going to jump forward. So when you jump forward, what you're going to do, you're going to jump, pulling your hands down. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, and you're going to have a hip twist to the left. At the same time, your heels will go to the left. 1, 2. That's right. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. 5. That's great. So let's see this entire thing with counts and then we try it with the music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2. That's right. Let's try this with some music and then let's proceed. Practice this a couple of times before moving to the next move. So once we shuffle, we are going to move 2 steps forward. When we move 2 steps forward, we are going to go to a half sit position, 1 and 2. So our knees are going to be it's going to be connected. So when I'm stepping my right leg, my left knee also is in the same direction to the right diagonal. Meaning it's going to move 1, 2. That's it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step. I'm going to twist nicely. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, step. That's right. So this is our end position. From here, I'm going to step. When I step, I cross my hands. And when I take my next step, I open my hands. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Step and step. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, step. That's right. So after you come to this position, you're going to jump on your left leg and flip and come back straight. So this is our last position. From here, you're going to step with your right leg front, cross your hands and open. After you come to this position, you're going to jump on your left leg and come back straight. So let's do this with counts first and then let's proceed with the music. 5, 6 from the starting of the third section. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and that is the timing of the music. So you need to practice this several times before you attempt it to the music. Let's try it with the music now. That's right. So after we complete this and come back straight, so now it's going to change the rhythm of the choreography. It's going to be two beats with a great pause, with a long pause, you can call it. So after you finish with the click and you're coming back with, you're going to take a right shoulder and swiftly move it back. So it goes 1, 2. That's 2 is the chest pop. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. That should be powerful enough. 5, 6, 7, go. Boom. Boom. Yeah, that's right. So after you finish that, you will hear a disc sound, chick chick again. So for that, what you're going to do, you're going to have a hip twist again. So chick chick. That's all. So from here, after you finish a click, you bring your legs together, down. From here, boom, boom, and shake. That's right. So let's try this entire set with counts, and then we will try with some music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, check. That's right. So let's try this with music. As I say, before going with the music, practice this with count several times. Get used to the steps. Get used to the speed of the music before you attempt it. Music. We come to the end of our third segment. Let's begin the fourth segment of the choreography. So we end with in this position after the hip shake. So from now the choreography speed is going to increase a bit. So the footwork speed is going to increase really slightly. Not too much. So what you're going to do, you're going to bring your right leg to your left leg, join your legs together and have a small dip. And then after that, with your left leg, you're going to come up and bring your left leg back in, and you're going to come back out. So that's how you're going to travel. So let me tell you slowly. So from here, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go down, put your left leg out, down, put your right leg out. So when you put your right leg out, you're going to join your legs together. You're going to join your hands together. Sorry. So from here, last position, after the shake, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, up, down, up. That's right. It's important to have that bounce going on. 5, 6, 7, go down, up, down, up. That's right. You can practice this a couple of times. So after you come to this position, you're going to spin to the right hand side. 1. That's right. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go down, up, 1, 2. That's right. So after you finish this position, after you come to this position, you're going to take your right leg and step out to the right. So when you do that with your hands, you're going to dive in and come out. Again, 5, 6, 7, go, dive in, come out, 1 and 2. So you're going to have a knee bob, you're going to lift your knee 1 and 2. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your hands are going to be alternate. So from here to 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's right. So let me see from the beginning of the fourth segment. 5, 6, 7, go down, up, spin to the right, 1, 2 and that's right. So we go 1 and we go 2 and that's it. Ready? Let's try this one more time with counts and then we do it with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go down, up, rotate, go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So you go to the right, you nicely scoop in and then you push out. That's good. So let's try this part with music and then let's proceed. That's right. So it's a bit fast, but you can practice this and make sure you synchronize it with the music. So after we complete that, what we're going to do, we're going to put our left leg behind and slice our hands forward. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go, slice it. That's right. 5, 6, 7, go, slice it forward, and with your shoulders, you're going to go up and down. Boom, that. That's right. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go, slice and go. That's right. 5, 6, 7, go, slice and up. That's perfect. So after you finish that, we're going to put our right leg out and imagine you're going to pull a rope. So you're going to be in that position. But I want you to freeze for the next 2 counts in this position. So once you finish slice and shoulder, you're going to stay. You're going to stay for 1 more count, and then you're going to move your hip and you're going to pull down. Boom, down. That's right. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that particular moment, I want you guys to freeze. 5, 6, 7, go. Freeze, freeze, pull, pull. The pull should come with your hip. 5, 6, 7, go. Pull and pull. That's right. So we will see from the beginning of the 4th segment. 5, 6, 7, go. Down, up, turn, scoop. 1, 2, slice and shoulder. After you come here, freeze, freeze, drop, drop. Good. 1 more time with counts, and then we proceed with music. 5, 6, 7, go. Down, up, turn and go. 1 and 2, 3. Freeze, freeze, drop it, drop it. That's right. Let's try it with the music, and then let's continue. Continue for the next step. So after we freeze, drop it. So after you come to this position, you're going to jump on your right leg twice, and you're going to go forward as if you're going to skip. It's going to roll forward and roll forward. 5, 6, 7, go, jump and jump. That's it. It's like you're going to trip forward. 5, 6, 7, go, jump, jump. After you do that, in this position, you're going to join your hands and you're going to come back. You're going to come back in a way where you have both your hands rest on your right shoulder. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go, clap your hands and come back. That's it. So from here, pull and pull. 5, 6, 7, go, jump, jump, clap, up. That's right. So after you do that, using your right leg, you're going to flick your right leg to the left. So you're going to do this 1. So when you do that, you're going to jump on your left. 1 and 2. And place. So from here, you're going to jump on your left leg, jump on your left leg, jump on your right leg, and now jump on your left leg and join. So it's going to be a small leg shuffle. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 on your left, on your right, on your left, and jump. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go. Jump and that's good. 5, 6, 7, go. Jump and. So when you do that, I want you to drop your hands down and focus on your footwork so that it looks very, very clean and clear. So we will see from the beginning of the 4th section till this point, and then we will continue. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go. Down, up, rotate, scoop, 1, 2, slice and shoulder, freeze and freeze, pull and pull, jump, clap, up, and 2, 3, 4. That's good. So let's try this part with the music and continue. this move, you're going to use your hip to move around on 4 corners of the wall of the room. First, you're going to push your hip front diagonal and then back to the left and go. So it's going to be front, and back. So you're going to move your hip to the right hand side, to the left hand side, and you're going to go back. So from here it's going to be 1, 2, 3. The 4th count, you're going to point to the left with your right hand. 5, 6, 7, go right, left, right, and point. So this entire move should be done using the power of your hip. 5, 6, 7, go, hip, point. That's right. So once you come to this position, you're going to roll back and join forward. Roll back and join forward. From here on, we're going to have a small vibration. That's right. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go, right, left, back, point, roll back, and a shake. That's great. So let's see the entire 4th section together with counts and then with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go, down, up, rotate, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Hey, that's right. Let's try this with the music, and then let's go. Practice this many times. We finished 4 segments of the song. We just have 1 more segment to go. So see you in the next segment. So let's begin the final and the 5th segment of the choreography. So this is going to be a very short but very fun part of the song. And so I hope you get some practice all the 4 segments. And you have mastered that, and then you have reached this part of the song. So congratulations on that. So once we finish the shake, what we're going to do, we're going to have the groove on our shoulders, and we're going to lift our right leg, and we're going to move 1, 2. So you're going to use your right hip to go 1, 2. So you're going to go 1, 2, and clap. That's it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, clap, 2, and clap. So once you finish this, you're going to use your right leg because your right leg is up. You need to place it down. You're going to go back 1. You're going to come back 2. You're going to go 3, and then you're going to go 4. So basically, you're going to take your right leg. You're going to turn back. You're going to turn front again. Feet is together. Now use your left leg to go back and then join. So remember, you're going to lift your right leg first. 1, clap, 2, and clap. Now you're going to go ballet, and ballet. That's right. So once you complete this particular section, you're going to move to the right. Jump, push up. Jump, push up. That's right. So this has to come in a flow. Don't break it down too much. 5, 6, 7, go. Jump, up. Jump, up. That is right. So let's do this entire part with counts. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is great. So once we complete this part, we're going to kick with our right leg. Kick with the right leg, kick with the left leg. So this is going to be a kick and a kick. So each time you kick, you're going to jump. 5, 6, 7, go. Jump, and jump. So you're going to kick front, you're going to kick front, and then you're going to kick side, and then you're going to kick side. So the hand movement for this, punch with the left, punch with the right, push to the right, push to the left. So you go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. That's great. So how does it look? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. So let me do the entire segment together now. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you relax, freestyle the rest of the music, and you finish.
चाल शराबी